I've got a little makeup haul. So if you like hauls and you like makeup and you like me, stay tuned. Thank you for joining me today. I'm Michelle from Mascara to Midnight. And I love buying makeup. Don't you just love buying makeup? I can't help it. I really do. I don't really even need it sometimes. What I do love to do is wait till there's a sale or they're giving something free with a purchase. I have 2 boxes. I have 2 companies, Colourpop and Walgreens. And in one case, there was a product that I absolutely had to have. And in the other case, they were giving me some freebies. And I loves me some freebies. Usually what I do is I just kind of hold off on buying something until they're giving me something for free. Ulta does it regularly. If you spend $50 or $65, they're going to give you a little sample pack of goodies. So if you know you want something, if you can just hold off a couple weeks, they'll give something for free, and then it's bonus. I've never actually ordered from Colourpop. Can you believe this? It says made in LA. Well, I'm in Louisiana, so made in LA is supposed to be Louisiana, but I'm sure that means California, because I confuse people all the time when I say LA. I have used Colourpop before because I've gotten them in beauty boxes, but I've never actually bought any. It's a really cute packaging. A lot of goodies in here. The very thing that made me run over to Colourpop are these mascaras. I have an entire mascara playlist where I just try out various types of mascara, but I've got one blue one in that playlist that I really enjoyed, and I have worn that blue mascara numerous times. I had to have these. I really wanted all the colors, but I only got 3. Now I wish I would have gotten the pink and the yellow and all of them, but I got blue and I got purple and I got this turquoise. These are gonna be so fun. Let me just get one of these open. Let me try this turquoise here. That's so cute too. I do have mascara on. Oh yeah, look at that. That is pretty. I'm gonna have much fun with these. Then I got a few random things that weren't new, I don't guess, but looked good to me. Lip gloss. I ran out of my favorite lip gloss a while back, and that is always a bummer. And they don't sell it anymore. Well, I can tell you that the brush is defective. That's a bummer because I just got it. I like the smell. It's vanilla-y. It doesn't go on very good because the damage to the brush. Can you see that? It's useless. Feels good though. Can't really see the color, but I hate to have on maroon. Match my shirt. I got this. It's called It's My Pleasure pressed powder. So cute. Pressed powder. Eyeshadow. Oh my goodness, look at this. Completely broken. I guess I will be contacting them. Yeah, I don't really want to dig into this because it's kind of everywhere, and that's disappointing. It's especially disappointing because it's the very first time I've done business with them. That went everywhere. It's all inside of my box, so it's this looks like some lipstick, and it matches what I'm wearing, but I already have lipstick on. Oh, that's pretty. That's really pretty. Just the packaging. Rose gold. And this is nice. Oh, that's lovely at least. Very creamy. At least there's that. I didn't really know what to do with the eyeshadows. I definitely liked many of the colors. And frankly, I would have bought 20 of them, but I just wanted to try one out and see if it was any good. So I started with this one, and this is called Haze Super Shock. If you know anything about these, it's a very unique texture because it's powdery, but it's creamy. Let's see how this looks. Just kind of putting it on up here. Oh, look at that. That is very pretty. Oh, a little bit of glitter. I remember reading that it had a little bit of glitter. I don't mind glitter. In fact, I love glitter. What am I talking about? I don't mind glitter. Ha! If you could see around my house, you know, I'm not even kidding. All right, so this is lovely. I like this a lot. Got a lippy scrub. There were several different varieties of this, and I love lip scrubs. You know, I'm doing my facial routine at 9. I'll just do a lip scrub. They're fun. You want to make taking off your makeup as fun as putting on your makeup. And that smells delicious. I could eat that. That's great deliciousness. It looks like they just gave me a little freebie here. I don't recall buying this. Let's see what this is. These are cleansers. Cleansing oil and regular cleanser. Covered in makeup. My desk is covered in makeup. My pants are covered in makeup. That's lame. Lame. I mean, I'm not mad at them. Not mad at them. These things happen. And my Walgreens haul came in this ginormous package. This was $20. Look at this. This is so pretty. I need it to just sit right here on my table for when I'm doing makeup videos, but that's number 7, and they have, you're gonna see more. I got more number 7. For instance, I got this skin illuminator in the color nude. I'm afraid this is gonna be too dark for me. It's pretty though. Let's try this out. I mean, if there's any color, it's very, very small, minute. So I guess the color was fine. And I got this little kit. This is a little number 7 skincare kit. It's a glycolic acid peel. And I thought this looked yummy. Cute little brush to apply it with. You put this on, nice glass bottle, and then neutralizing pads. So, sounds fun. I'll be doing that on Saturday. And then I desperately wanted something from Perfusion because I haven't tried it yet. What I wanted was sold out online and in store, so I got this. And it has lots of good colors, but the one I wanted was pretty sparkly. I think I mentioned I like sparkles. Let's just dig in here real quick. Let's just try out a few of these. I'm gonna try this and this. Oh, that's nice. And this. Those are the colors that I'm drawn to. Just give that a try right here. Not bad. This is really pretty. I like that one a lot. I like it. So pleased with that. And then this is what I got free. Big old bag of stuff if you spent a certain amount of money. Already, right there. Have you tried this? This is fabulous. And then we've got Burt's Bees Daily Moisturizing Cream. And we've got La Roche-Posay Double Repair Moisturizer. I've never tried this particular one. Full size Cetaphil lotion. I'm actually gonna give this to my daughter who's a gymnast. She gets a little rips on the palm of her hand, especially when her skin gets dry. So I'm hoping we can prevent some more rips before her next meet. We've got Amlactin Rapid Relief Restoring Lotion with ceramides. Heals extremely rough, dry skin. I guess I'll be giving her that too. And then a mask, a bubbling sheet mask. Follow me on Instagram if you like talking about masks. I try to mask every Friday. This is called Illumify, and it's to whiten your eyes. I don't know about that. I'll give it a try. Maybe I'll do a video on it. Then we've got some CeraVe Eczema Soothing Body Wash and Moisturizing Lotion. These are great for traveling with. Good heavens, that's fab. Listerine Ready Tabs. Vichy Mask. I can live with some masks. Cute little bag though. Don't you think? I'd say that was worth it. So you watch for those things. That's my tip for you today when you're buying makeup or skincare. Just watch for those extra freebie giveaways. It makes it even more fun to shop. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you're new, I'd love to have you as a subscriber. You're gonna wanna see me wearing all this. You're gonna wanna see the glycolic acid pill. You're gonna wanna watch me try eye drops. So be sure and subscribe so you don't miss a minute. And if you're regular here, thank you so much for hanging out. Tell me what you want to see below if I haven't done it yet. If there's anything you were interested in, just let me know and I will be sure and get back to you very quickly. And I'm going to go because I'm running out of air. Bye.